Greetings. I know there are thousands probably of general calendar and appointment applications. Yes, you can buy one off the shelf for a fiver probably. I've spent a couple of weeks putting this together off and on. I've just finished working, so I'm now retired. Woohoo! So, when you run it, you get a blank year. I could default it to say that this year is 2024, so let's present 2024, but I haven't got that far yet. I'm going to present this because, as far as I'm aware at the moment, I've finished putting stuff in. I can't think of anything else to add to it. So, you select a year and you get this, which is, I hope, yellow bank holidays, Mondays. So far that looks good. Over on the right you've got red, which are impossible dates. There is a 29th of February this year, but there is never going to be a 30th, 31st, so, same for the other ones. These differently shaded ones with some words on rubbish appointments I've made up. You can see I've got 3 of them in January. So if I click on one, I get this down the bottom, which is basically just expanding what's there. So, on the 16th of January at 4:30, time to review the next 12 months with Alex, whoever Alex is. Now, if I click on that line, I get a small group box where you want to change things, possibly. Usually what you do is add some more blurb. We'll leave it with Alex, we'll leave the time and everything else and update the appointment. So that's fine there. If I click on the month name in the bottom box, I will see all 3 of the appointments. So I can then click on anything I like, really. I can export this into a text-based CSV, and you can export the bank holidays if you wish to. I only added that just to prove that I could do it, really. Now, if I can just have a moment, the admin screen, which I need to just change. Right. The admin screen is a small pop-up. Basically, you can add bank holidays using this. So you select a date, put a name in here, and then save it, and it gets added to the list. In terms of year selection, the top left year selection, you can add or delete years using this. Similar with contacts, you can add a different contact, you can delete a contact, all that sort of stuff. I was playing with trying to do, if it's me, I want admin rights, but if I was trying to impersonate somebody, I can call myself somebody else, and then through the program I'm running as John or Joanna or Fred or whatever. That all seems to work, and the rest of it is, I think, operational. Let's just go back to where I was. So in itself, it's a pretty basic operation. It has taken me a little while to work out some quirky things, but it's up and running and it works pretty well. So if I go for 2025, I haven't really populated this much, but I've got the bank holidays, and as you'll see in 25, the 29th of February is no longer a valid date. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. That's me for now. I'll catch you later. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.